Currently, let's be honest with each other. To earn money online right now, you need money. You want to learn AI to make use of AI for content creation, to start trading, dropshipping, e-commerce. You need money. But the only way you can start making money online without any capital, even without experience, is through freelancing. You'll be hearing freelancing, 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 freelancing. So in this video, I will break down what is freelancer and how you can become freelancer. This video will explain everything for you. So now let's move on. What is freelancer? Freelancer in a simple way is when you offer a skills to someone or to a client online and you get paid per hour, per project, or per contract. As a freelancer, you don't need a company to hire you full time. You only need to start working on how to get clients every day and start working on their projects. This will also allow you to skip 95 jobs. So now, how can you become a freelancer? To become a freelancer, you need to have a skills. As I said, someone who renders skills to someone online. To become a freelancer, you need to have a skills. What are the skills you need to have? I am a website designer and also a digital marketer. To become a freelancer, you need a digital skill. You need to learn digital skills like website design, digital marketing, copywriting, short video content editing, video editing, graphic design, logo design. A lot of digital skills you can learn out there without paying. You can make use of YouTube to learn these skills. I personally, I don't buy any course to learn this website design and digital marketing. And one of the things before when you learn these digital skills, even when you are buying course from someone that course for digital marketing, you need to ask, how can I practice this particular course I bought from you? To practice this website designer, I'm a website designer. I make use of e-commerce platform like Shopify. If you know about Shopify, I'm making some video about how to build websites on Shopify, how to market Shopify products. I'm making use of Shopify to showcase my skills to build a website for clients. And as a digital marketer, I know about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads, SEO, and so on. Anything that can drive sales for someone who has a product online. So I work for them. Learning a freelancing, to become a freelancer, you need digital skills. Now, how can you earn as a freelancer? That's another thing. To earn as a freelancer is to showcase your projects online through freelancing platform. There are a lot of freelancing platforms you can make use of, whereby businesses owner, clients can reach out to you, and you can also reach out to clients. Now, how can a client reach out to you as a freelancer? By setting up your profile on this freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Warranty, Keywork, People Per Hour, and so on. The one I can guarantee you is Fiverr and Upwork. I'm making use of Fiverr and Upwork, but here are the secrets people don't tell you about the digital skills and how you can start any as a beginner. As a beginner, you don't have a review, you don't have anything to showcase on this platform. So if you have a review, you can showcase your projects on this platform, whereby businesses owner will come and pay for your skills. But if they found your profile without a review, now how can you get a review? Getting review is by reaching out to businesses owner on social media through LinkedIn outreach, Instagram DMs, Facebook DMs, TikTok, a lot of social media like email marketing as well. You can find out a business owner that is not growing well. You can reach out to them. Said, I'm a data marketer, or if they don't have a website, you can tell them I can build a website. You can build a free website for them, or do something free for them. As a logo designer, you can design a logo design free for them, or a data marketer, you can tell them I can help you to drive organic traffic to your social media platform, social media handles for free. From there, you grab their attention, talk about the main project. One thing is that you don't need experience. As I said, you don't need experience. How to start without even having experience? You can go to YouTube, pick a skills like website design, data marketing. Pick a skills. Don't pick random skill. Don't just pick one today. Tomorrow you pick another one. Just next tomorrow go into graphic design. Pick one skill, then learn it for 30 days. Go to YouTube to learn these skills. Can find out some videos that explain about data marketing, website design. You can find it out here in this video. I will also be making some video about how to run ads on Facebook, how to run ads on Instagram, Pinterest, how to build websites on Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and so on. If you want to know about website design and digital marketing, can you make sure you subscribe, and even I'll be dropping more videos on how you can start earning as a freelancer. Here are the breakdown how you can start earning as a freelancer with no money at all. Just pick a skills, learn it for 30 days, then build a portfolio, get a review, and after that you can start earning. If you want me to make a video about how you can start getting clients, how you can start converting clients as a freelancer, or when you're planning to become a freelancer, drop it in the comment section. Drop skills in the comment section. Make videos about that, and don't forget to subscribe.